7 useful tips to fix snoring. Snoring is linked with many aspects of a person's lifestyle. It is estimated that nearly 45% of the adult population snore occasionally. However, there are several practical steps that can be taken to overcome this issue. Let's take a look at a few of the most effective self-help fixes for snoring. Eat a healthy diet. Eating a well-balanced diet can go a long way to minimize issues with snoring. Even being slightly overweight can increase the likelihood of snoring. There is a buildup of fatty tissue throughout the body when overweight. If this builds up in the area of the neck, it can have a negative impact on the airway, which stops air flowing in and out as intended. Change in sleeping position. The best sleeping position to minimize snoring is on your side. If sleeping on your back, there is the risk of excess fatty tissue, your chin, and tongue pushing down on your airway. This issue is removed by simply sleeping on your side. Also, there are special pillows to help achieve the desired sleep position. Additionally, there is the option to tape tennis balls or similar to the back of your nightwear to prevent sleeping flat on your back. Keeping the nose clear. A clear nose makes it easier to breathe through your nose when sleeping. A nasal spray or antihistamine tablets are useful remedies to treat the allergy-blocked nose. Cut alcohol consumption before bed. Drinking alcohol just before going to bed can lead to relaxed muscles. A consequence of this is the throat collapses at the back when breathing, which increases the chances of snoring. Stop smoking. Smoking is likely to cause irritation to the lining of the throat and nose, which can lead to the buildup of mucus and swelling. Because of the inflammation, the flow of air is decreased, which means the chances of snoring it increased. Change bedding. The buildup of allergens in the bedroom can increase the risks of snoring. For this reason, it will benefit to not only regularly change the bed sheets but also replace the pillows. Regular dusting of the bedroom surfaces can be helpful. Also, don't let pets sleep on your bed to stop breathing in animal dander. And last but not the least, stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water avoid issues with secretions in the soft palate and nose becoming dry and sticky, which can lead to more episodes of snoring. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of new uploads.